Bitrig allows you to build an iPhone app right on your iPhone. Let's try and use it if we can build a very simple AI chat application for the iPhone using the Foundation Models framework from Apple. I have the app already open on my iPhone, and over here you have noticed I have already created two apps. So let's create a new one by going to the top right and tapping on the pencil button. So I'll tap the compose area and use voice mode on the keyboard by tapping the microphone button. Build me a beautiful iOS AI chat application using the Apple Foundation Models framework. So I'll send the prompt and wait for a moment. You have noticed it is now connecting. It is now preparing to generate a SwiftUI code. So let's wait for a moment until everything is done. Now the app has been created, and over here it has summarized everything it did. It created on-device AI using foundation models. So let's minimize the sheet. Once we minimize the sheet, you can see we have the app in the full screen mode. And over here, we can tap a message and send it. The floating menu of Bitrig is blocking the send button, so I can move it around anywhere on the edges of the screen. I'm going to send it. So this is a fully working app. You see, within a short time, we have been able to use Bitrig to build an AI chat application in SwiftUI. By simply asking what is life, you have noticed we got a response from the model. Let's also ask another question. For example, what is SwiftUI? For that also, I'm going to use dictation. What is SwiftUI? So it is going to process it, and now we have the response from the model within a shorter time. So this is how to get started with the Foundation Models framework using Bitrig to create a simple AI chat application for iOS. This is a fully working app. You have noticed it even has a timestamp, and whatever we ask the AI, we get an answer with low latency. We can, for example, take the app further. To take the app further, we can, for example, give a follow-up prompt to make the UI more beautiful or add other functionalities. Also, the generated UI is not perfect. For example, if I tap on the screen, I expect the keyboard to dismiss by itself, but nothing happens. So we can still go ahead and ask the Bitrig agent to dismiss the keyboard once we tap on the screen, or pin a grabber on top of the keyboard to dismiss it. The only way I can dismiss the keyboard is to tap the floating menu of Bitrig and then drag the sheet down. That goes away with the keyboard. Once you generate your app, you can also share it. You can copy it and perform other actions as well. Also, if I tap the ellipsis, we can view the code. So this is the generated code. We can edit the code on the iPhone screen, but since the screen is very small, we can move the code to Xcode on the Mac and edit it there, or extend the simple AI chat application to whatever we want. The Foundation Models framework is one of the many frameworks Bitrig supports. So by tapping the ellipsis on the top right, you can go to Help and scroll through all the frameworks it supports. If you want to know it supports a particular Apple framework, you just come here and check it in the list. So you have noticed here, we have Foundation Models for iOS 26 Plus, allowing you to perform tasks with on-device model that specializes in language understanding, structured output, and tool calling. So there are many of these frameworks, and over here they have those that will be added soon. The purpose of this video was just to show you how to get started with Bitrig to create a simple AI chat application for iOS using the Foundation Models framework. We did not go through how the code works, so that will be in a separate video.